In this video, I'm going to talk about how I progressed this past month, 2020 May, and this is in regards to my stock portfolio. So with that said, let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is MJ, and in this channel we talk about finance, personal investing, and the stock market. So if you guys like these kind of topics, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get the latest video. In this video, we're just going to talk about the progress and perhaps a little bit of mistakes that I did in the past month, and we're going to screen some of the stocks that I've had, predominantly the ones that I talked about in my previous video, which I'm gonna link in my description below, and also right here in this suggestion tab. I gotta put the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, and do your own research. New acquisition of Allegiant right here, 7 positions. I'm not going to talk about it much because number one, it wasn't talked about in the last video. Number two, it's fairly new. I just got it about a week ago, and it's been up 22%, so that's been good. Should I parlay it? Maybe, maybe not. The Norwegian cruise line is basically just going to stay how it is right now. I know travel's been picking up, and I'm just not going to touch it. I'm just not a cruise line kind of guy. I'd rather buy more airlines, and I'll tap on that in a little bit. So right now Norwegian is coming up strong, negative 4.8. So it's a possibility that I'll tap in that, buy in a little more, but that's if I got extra money left. Delta Airlines, I got 8 shares right now. I was really thinking of buying some today, but I ended up buying UCO. The next one would be ROST. We got 15 shares. I would possibly take a look at it again, but so far 10% gain in the past since acquired, and that's been doing good. So El Pollo Loco, so I had 63 shares prior to this. I had 63 shares. Now it's only 33. I sold half of it and bought part of it. I transferred it to AMH and some in another stock, so it's 50%. Can't really complain. El Pollo Loco, I think there was a cap that I said on my previous video. There's a cap of $13, maybe $14, $15, so I sold half of it. So that's the strategy that I'm trying to input. So this is the halfway point of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you don't mind smashing that like button, that would be great, so YouTube knows that I'm doing my job. Groupon, it's been a little stagnant. It's teeter-tottering between $1 to $1.25, as you can see, but I bought it in at around a dollar, so it's a pretty good buy. And is it gonna go up? If I were you, now is a good time, because the average price would be $3 or up, so check that out. Alibaba, and I got 5 shares. It's up 2%. Something to think about. Again, Alibaba and Amazon are almost similar, but the market's obviously different. The pandemic's been affecting each country different as well. Fiverr is a monster. So I previously, or just today, before I bought 5 more, I only had 10 obviously. It was up 122% or so. So I rebought 5 more of Fiverr using the Netflix sale, and hopefully it's gonna be profitable. Amazon, so 2400 plus. Probably not gonna touch that. It's a stable stock. It's one of my secure stocks that I'm not gonna rebuy. Tesla, so Tesla I didn't talk about it on my previous video, but Tesla has been doing good for me since acquisition, 20%. I want to buy more. Honestly, I want to buy more, maybe one more given my situation, and we'll see how that goes. It's gonna stay up. It may go down a slight bit just because of what's been going on with the market. It's very shaky. And that's it for me, guys. If you guys think that you picked out a few tips from this video that would help someone, or maybe even you, to progress your stock market investing, please don't forget to share this video to someone else. And if you guys haven't yet, please tap the like button. The boss knows, my boss YouTube knows that I'm working. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can get the next video, the latest video, as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.